Hello there, this is Micah. Now we're looking at the weekly Forex uh, market forecast and update, and we're going to be looking at the AUD CHF, AUDJPY, and the CHFJPY currency pairs in this video. Now let's take a look first of all at our product, the premium forex signal service. This goes for $200 monthly. With $200 monthly, you get highly profitable and high probability trading signals that will take your trading to the highest possible level. If you follow this signal service, you would see that forex trading can actually be that financial breakthrough for you, right? My direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, chat me up, and let's talk about how you can come on board and be part of what we do. So let's get into the business of the day. So let's start with the AUD card currency pair. Now take a look at the monthly. We see the last month ended bullish. Take a look at the weekly. We see that the previous week ended with a pin bar, a bearish pin bar. And if you look at the overall trend of the market, it's been bearish for years, right? It's been bearish for a long time, really long time. So let's see what's obtainable on the daily time frame. Now we have this big bearish move, which might be a signal to the beginning of a bearish trend. But notwithstanding, if we see price come into the 0.89751 zone and give us a bullish day close above that zone, there's a possibility, an opportunity to buy, at that point. Most likely look for a one-to-one, not to overstay your welcome, since this is a very bearish trend, and it's very important that you do not overstay your welcome if you are buying the market. Now for bearish opportunities, well, this is what I'll be looking out for. If we see price push into the 0.91725 zone and give us a bearish day close below that zone, then I'll look for opportunities to sell. I'll most likely look for bigger moves, because this is a very bearish market, and I think I can see something like a possibility of this happening. Okay, maybe not exactly. So maybe not exactly though, but okay, there's something here. Yeah, there's something here. So this is more also a possibility that it should play out with the what's it called now, the channel, right? So there's possibly going to be a confluence if price push that high. So that is for AUD card. Let's move on to AUD CHF. Now for AUD CHF, what do we see? Market has been bearish for some years. The previous month candle almost ended like a pin bar, a proper pin bar. I think it's okay to call that a pin bar. Last week's candle very bearish. This now for our prediction, I think if price comes into this major zone, this 0.58637 zone, and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I look for some opportunity to buy the market. Most likely a one-to-one, nothing really serious, because this is a very bearish market, and buying in a bearish market is quite risky. Of course, even selling is risky, but buying carries more risk because of the potential of the market to push lower than any other thing. Now, but if price pushes high back into this if price pushes into the 0.61598 zone or the 0.62226 zone and gives us a bearish day close at any of those zones, then I'll look for opportunities to join the bearish trend. Of course, first target should be like a 1-to-1, then roll your stops to entry price and then see if you have opportunities to join the bearish trend, if that's a possibility right there. Now let's go to AUDJPY. AUDJPY on the monthly, very bullish, right? Weekly, very bullish, but closed on a bearish move last week. Daily, same idea. Now what do we look out for this new week? Simple. If we see price push into this 100.38 zone and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, and I will look for opportunities. I'll look for an opportunity to buy the market. Since it's a buy in a bearish market, since it's a buy in a bullish market, it's most likely going to be, it could turn out to be a trend continuation trade. But if price doesn't do that, if price pushes high into the 105.378 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I look for an opportunity to sell, but just a little move would be my expectation. Maybe a 1-to-1 thereabouts. Nothing too serious, because this is a bullish market and you don't want to overstay your welcome if you're selling in a bullish market. Now for CHFJPY, we keep our fingers crossed for this new week. No prediction for this new week. Now let's go back to the premium forex signal service, $200 monthly for highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading to the highest level. Trading is not an activity you engage in to cure boredom. It is an activity you engage in for potential to make profits, right? To potentially make profits. So this is what we focus on. We focus on the very best of the trades, very best of the high probability trading signals, so that people can profit, massively. And I only put on this channel trades that I take myself. I think, right, I'm not sure, but I think some guys out there who give signals, just give signals, sometimes just, so people can, believe they are getting their money's worth, and maybe they don't even take those signals themselves. I'm talking about the signal providers. But for me, the signals I put on this service is what I take myself, so I make sure it is the very best of the best. Alright guys, so this is the premium forex signal service. If you like to join us, my contact is in the description below. Copy the link in the description below, paste it in your browser and chat me up. That is my direct telegram contact. Copy the link in the description below, paste it in your browser and chat me up and let me know you are ready to join. Yes, it goes for $200 monthly, but the value you get is so much more than $200 monthly. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.